I really like minimalist bathrooms as well as having my house free of unnecessary things, so I finally decided to put my bathroom in order from the inside and out. In today's video I'm gonna do just that while showing you what exactly it is that I'm doing. I hope you like it and stay tuned. I prefer to start with emptying the cabinets completely. A lot of stuff has been collected over the years. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm gonna find. That's why I'm taking everything out to see what I have here. One of the easiest ways to prepare a bathroom for decluttering is to clean it first. I usually like to spend 20 minutes a day for cleaning instead of wasting my weekends on that. In this case, I'll spend these 20 minutes to clean the bathroom. I feel that a tidy house, and in this case a bathroom, goes well with minimalist atmosphere. Since we are taking everything out of the cabinets, it's a good idea to use this opportunity to dust the shelves inside. It's important to figure out which things you use regularly and which ones you don't need. There are a lot of items that I only used once or twice over the years or didn't get around to using at all. I decided to look through them carefully and sort out everything I don't need. After I settled on what stays, it's time to think about how to organize it using containers. I'm very fond of these acrylic organizers because they make it easy to sort things into categories without making a shelf look crowded. I do the same with the drawers, however I'm not gonna talk about it right now since I've mentioned it many times in my previous videos. According to modern books of home organization, it's best to keep all the items of the same category together. For instance, this shelf is for my facial products, like facial cleanser, face pills and masks. And this shelf is for hair products that I use on a regular basis. Above I have bath products. And my other cabinet is for items that I don't use that often. For example, hair dye and tools for at-home color. And here I have travel-size products that I take on a trip, so I don't have to carry big bottles with me. As for the very top shelf, I left it empty just in case I need to put something new. It's amazing how much junk is collected in the cabinets when you don't pay attention. I found a bunch of stuff that's already been expired, as well as multiple empty bottles that I can't wait to get rid of. This is a great opportunity to just trash it all and leave more room for the things that belong in the bathroom. A shelf is an essential item to have in a bathroom and especially in a shower. Instead of keeping shampoos and conditioners on the floor, I prefer to use this stainless steel shower shelf. It's far more efficient and hygienic. I always try to keep the sink area clean and put the items I use back to their place. The only things that remain on the sink are a liquid soap dispenser and a bar soap dish. For window sills, I have some plants that cozy up the bathroom without cluttering it up. In general, it's easier to breathe and nicer to spend time in the rooms with uncramped horizontal surfaces. Bathroom looks much more balanced if you use towels of the same type. They can be any color you want. I personally like to use yellow towels since they go well with the picture above the chest in our bedroom. Of course, as an alternative, white towels will look just right in any minimalist bathroom since it's so easy to match them with any decor. Decorating rooms in minimalist style has its advantages, like spending less time on keeping a place clean and having more time for yourself. That's why in my bathroom I only keep useful decorative objects and accessories that don't complicate the cleaning process all that much. I'd love to hear from you on how you decorate your bathroom. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the like button. If you enjoy watching videos on minimalism and home organization, please hit the subscribe button. See you next week. Bye bye!